welcome everybody to another episode of Drinkmas Time. Tonight we are going to make a drink with whiskey. Last night I showed how to make a drink with vodka and champagne and elderflower in case you missed it. But tonight we're going to use whiskey. This is a great drink if you're going out and you're always wondering, what should I have to drink? What should I have? And you kind of go to those drinks that you always go to. Try a whiskey drink, and here's one for start. All right, now before I get started making the drink, I'm going to show you guys the ultimate bar toy. Tiffany got this for me for my birthday a couple months ago, and I got to show it to you because it makes the ultimate ice ball, and it's really, really cool. All right, so check this bad boy out. It's made of solid aluminum. It's a lot heavier than it looks, and I can take this chunk of ice and stick it right in here and put this down, and there's no power, cables, battery, anything. This is totally made through conduction, and right now what it's doing is absorbing the energy from the chunk of ice into this solid aluminum, and it's going to make the perfect ice ball. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside for right now. It takes about 1 minute, but I'm going to go ahead and make the drink and then show you the ice ball at the end of it. All right, let's go ahead and put this cocktail together. First, we're going to start off with the Basil Hayden's, and we're going to put in 1.5 ounces. I use my jigger, but these little tops measure out the perfect amount. And I'll go ahead and dump that in. And then we'll put in the Canton ginger. I put in equal parts. All right, then we want to cut up our lemon. Cut that in half and squeeze half a lemon into your mixer. All right, and put the lid on and shake that baby. And pour it in. And there it is. If you want to put in a little wedge of lemon or a little peel of lemon, you can make it look a little prettier, but that's all it is. And you can just drop in a couple straws if you want. One of my favorite drinks. Again, shout out to Patrice for her drink recipe, and I hope you get this the next time you go out or make it at home. All right, so that was 1 minute. It literally only takes a minute to make one of these. I'll take the lid off. And then check that out. That is the perfect ice ball. And if you use distilled water, then it's crystal clear. And you can just drop that in your drink, and then you're all ready to add your favorite scotch. And why is it important to have an ice ball or a large chunk of ice when you're serving scotch? Because you don't want to water it down too much. So that is the ultimate bar toy, and available online.